Today I'm going to show you how to make this firecracker using flash powder inside, and going to trigger it electronically. And to trigger it I'm going to use my usual, I don't know, detonator, whatever you call it, and I have a 20-meter long audio cable, a jack which can be plugged in there, and the other end which can be plugged to the firecracker. Let's see if it works. It's getting a bit dark now, but I still try to video it. So basically, here's my cable, plug it and let's see if it works. It is a bit dark right now, but roughly in the middle of the picture you will see, hopefully, the firecracker is going off. So let's try. Wow, that worked very well. Wow, look what it did to the board. You can see the way of the explosion. Cool, I'm going to show you how to make this thing now. What we need is a toilet roll glue gun, duct tape, traditional Christmas line bulbs, and this is going to be the igniter, and instead of this you can use professional electric matches, and you will need the flash powder, which is 25% sulfur and 75% of zinc powder. Simple, cut it this way, like that. That's it. And you can make two at a time. So you need something round to roll it in. Simple, roll it up like that. Let's put that here. And let's just put a little bit of glue here. Let's clip it and roll it in and hold it. So you have a tube like that. Next, to put the duct tape on. It's not necessary, but I think it's actually kind of keeps the moisture away, so if you don't use it straight away, might be an idea to do this. Okay, next step, you get a piece of cereal box paper or something similar, and that actually you need a circle that fits inside this, a little bit bigger than that. Punch a hole in the middle to be able to put your traditional Christmas light bulb through, so you will end up something like that. But because it's basically bigger, doesn't fit in, do some cuts all the way around. So before I put the light bulb in, I have to cut the glass very carefully, like that. So what we need is this. The next step, just glue the paper on. The next step, you put this into the tube, like that. And now you just seal it with hot glue. Something like that. Flash powder. That should do it. So we need to seal the top now. And to do that, I cut a similar circle. The last step is just to fill this hole up with hot glue. And the last step, put it on like that. If you want to, you can seal this with hot glue. And it looks like this. And it's basically done. So now you just plug it in here like that. And the other end with the jack and my detonator box. So you just plug it in. Turn it on and press it and bang. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.